Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to create a Microsoft account. For this, at first we will go to browser and click on the Google and search here by this keyword Microsoft account. After searching it, you can see here the official website of Microsoft, and this is the new account creation page. So click on here. After click on here, you can see this is the look, and here is the two options, sign in and create account. So we want to create a new account. For this, we click on the create account button. After click on it, you can see the window, and here you can type any kind of your Gmail account or any other's email account. So you can also use your phone number for this Microsoft account creation. So we use right now our Gmail account. That's why I am typing here my Gmail account. Okay, after giving your Gmail account here, click on the next button. Okay, and here is the option, you need to create your Microsoft account password. So type your password here. After giving this password, just click on the next button again. Okay, now you need to input a code. That's code Microsoft automatically send your Gmail account. So at first we need to log in our Gmail account. Okay, after logging this Gmail account, here you can see the mail from Microsoft account. So verify your email address, click on here, and here you can see the code 5232. So type here 5232 and click on the next button again. Okay, so wait some time. After waiting, you can see here this is a captcha. You need to overcome this captcha and you need to prove yourself you are not a robot. For this, click on simply the next button, and here you can see there are 6 type of images, and here you can see pick the penguin. So find the penguin. So here you can see this is the penguin. So click on here and wait some time. Again pick the penguin, and this is the penguin. Okay, this captcha is solved. So click on, you can check here, and yes. Okay, here you can see the account is created successfully. You can edit your account from here anytime. So you can add your name. I just add my name here, first name, last name, and again you need to enter the captcha. So here the different type of captcha you can see. I just type the captcha here and click on the save button. Okay, my name is Since, and here you can see add photo. It is your profile picture. So click on add photo, and here you can see add photo, and this is my photo. Select it and open it. Okay, you can change it and click on the save button. Okay, nice job. Close it. That's it. So guys, this is the Microsoft account creating process. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.